Welcome to the best picks. The best deer knife set is probably one of the most important investments a deer hunter can make, ensuring a smooth and efficient processing of your harvest, from field dressing to butchering, and maximizing the yield of your hunt. This video will guide you through the essential features and considerations to help you choose the perfect set that meets your specific needs and preferences, whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out. Number 5. Mossy Oak 10-piece hunting kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for any hunting trip. It has everything you need to efficiently and safely process your game. You'll find 7 high-quality knives, along with a saw, shears, and gloves, all designed for durability and ease of use. The knives feature comfortable, non-slip handles and heat-treated blades for superior performance and lasting sharpness. They're perfect for various tasks. The unique bone saw has a blunt, hooked tip to prevent accidental damage to the game. Its design ensures efficient and safe processing. The kit also includes a cutting board, rib spreader, knife sharpener, and cleaning gloves for a complete field dressing experience. This portable kit comes in a sturdy storage case, making it easy to transport and keep your tools organized. It's your all-in-one solution for game processing. Surprise the hunter in your life with this practical and high-quality gift. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This kit has everything you need for field dressing, all neatly stored in a portable case. It's perfect if you're looking for a complete solution for your hunting trips. The Mossy Oak branding adds a touch of style for the discerning hunter. What people say. Comes with everything you need for field to table in a compact case. Everything you need to field dressing your game. Very sharp and built to last. Everything comes very neat and organized. It was worth the money for sure, as well as it is easy to use and the crib is slip resistant. Number 4. KNINE Outdoors Deer Knife Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for field dressing and processing your game. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, even in challenging conditions. With 12 essential tools, including boning knives, skinning blades, and a saw, it handles any task with precision. You'll be prepared for any situation. The camel-colored, ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, even when wet or cold. This ensures fatigue-free performance. It's built to last. The high-quality 7CR17 MOV steel blades are heat-treated 7 times for exceptional hardness and durability. You can rely on it for years to come. This kit is designed for portability and organization. Everything is neatly stored in a case, making it easy to transport and keep your tools protected. You'll always be ready for the hunt. Always handle it with care. Keep all tools in their designated places when not in use. Clean them thoroughly after each use to maintain their sharpness and longevity. What we like. This set boasts ergonomic handles for comfortable use, even during long processing sessions. If you value comfort and durability, this is the set for you. The durable steel blades will ensure a long lifespan, making it a worthwhile investment. What people say. First time it was put to use, my husband nabbed his first 2 deer. Did a fantastic job, quality material and neatly organized. Everything, and I mean everything you would need to process game. This kit came with it all, and it's all great quality. The design of the knives and handles are super comfortable. Bought a set for processing my own meat and was so happy I bought a second set to leave at my deer lease. These knives are sharp and have held up good so far. I have processed 4 deer and 1 hog with one set and I haven't had to sharpen them yet. Number 3. GVDV 14-piece hunting knife set. This 14-piece set has everything you need for a successful hunt. It's designed to make processing your game quick and efficient. The high-carbon stainless steel blades are incredibly sharp and durable. They're heat-treated for excellent edge retention and rust resistance. The handles are designed for comfort and a secure grip, even during long use. The grooved surface provides extra safety. This set includes a caping knife, gut hook skinner, and butcher knife, perfect for various tasks. Each one is perfectly balanced for precision. The axe is built for tackling tough jobs, from cutting wood to bone. Its optimized blade geometry ensures maximum efficiency with every swing. The bone saw's unique design prevents accidental damage to the game. The T-handle and serrations make cutting quick and easy. The kit also includes a ribcage spreader, gloves, a cutting board, a sharpener, and more. Everything you need for a clean and efficient processing. All the tools are neatly packed into a durable carry case for easy transport. You'll be ready for any hunting adventure. What we like. With 14 pieces, including a handy one-handed axe, it's the most comprehensive kit. If you need extra tools for various tasks, this is your best bet. The razor-sharp blades make quick work of processing, saving you time and effort. What people say. All knives extremely sharp. Love that it comes with its own case to keep things nice and clean. Heavy duty, sharp and packaged nicely. The saw handles great. The blades was super sharp. The handles have ridged spot where when you are covered in blood from cleaning a deer you do not lose grip on the knife. The carrying case was nice and strong. Number 2. Hunting Deer Knife Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for field dressing your game. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, even in challenging conditions. With 12 essential tools, it handles every stage of processing. From skinning and boning to sawing and sharpening, it's got you covered. The camel-colored, ergonomic handles provide a secure, non-slip grip, even when wet or cold. They're designed for comfort during extended use. It's built to last. The high-carbon steel blades are heat-treated 5 times for exceptional hardness and durability, ensuring they'll stand up to the toughest jobs. Take it anywhere. This complete set is compact and easy to transport, keeping all your tools neatly organized in one convenient case. Always handle the blades with care and keep them stored properly when not in use. Cleaning after each use will help maintain its sharpness and longevity. What we like. This set offers ergonomic handles for a comfortable and safe grip. If you prioritize comfort and durability, this is a great choice. The durable steel blades ensure long-lasting performance, making it a smart investment. What people say. Has all the bells and whistles for field dressing. Comes in a very well-made carrying case and is very aesthetically pleasing. Sharpness is unbeatable, they would make a great gift for someone. You could use it in field. In your building. It has everything you need to process deer, pig or whatever. Durable and includes everything needed for the outdoorsman. Grip is also nice. Number 1. Outdoor Edge Game Pro Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for efficient and clean game processing. It includes all the essential tools, neatly organized for easy access. The knives are incredibly sharp and well-balanced, making your work easier and more precise. They're made from high-quality 420J2 stainless steel for superior performance. The rubberized handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet or cold. This reduces hand fatigue and ensures safe handling. The included case keeps everything organized, protected, and readily available. It's perfect for transport and storage. Outdoor Edge stands behind its products. This kit comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This kit comes with a rugged hard side case for safe and organized storage. If you value protection and peace of mind, this is the one. The lifetime warranty ensures you'll have it for years to come. What people say. The blades are sharp. It's a versatile set. The boning knife was sharp and flexible as they should be. The handles are nice and you get a firm, no-slip grip when processing wild game. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.